Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video I will show you a SaaS website that I built, which is inside Node.js Express. So you can access this SaaS website which will generate you passive income. Freemediatools.com. This is my website right here, and it contains unlimited number of tools regarding audio, video and image. The nice thing about this website, guys, as in this video I will show you from AdSense. It is giving me daily passive income from advertisements. You can see the proof right here, and same goes with the ezoic as well. You will see day by day it is giving me passive income by placing advertisements. So this is the website that I built entirely inside Node.js and Express, the two backend frameworks that I used here on the server side. So you can test out this website. Go to freemediatools.com. I also given the link in the description of this video, so you can just try out every tool. So this is, let me show you one tool right here, which is image converter. So this is a basic image converter where you will select your file, so whichever file you want to. So let's suppose I take this file, so this is in PNG. So here you can able to select whichever format you need to convert. Let's suppose I want to convert this PNG image to JPG image. So there we have the download button. So this progress bar will say, and you will see the image is converted. So you can see the image is successfully converted from PNG to JPG. So what I will do, guys, if you are interested in this website source code, if you also want to deploy the same website and place advertisements and earn passive income, you can definitely purchase it. The link is given in the description of this video from my website trocodestore.com. And let me show you the source code here. So once you purchase it, you will actually get the zip file from Google Drive automatically, and once you extract the content of the zip file, you will actually see this directory structure, and it is entirely built inside Node.js and Express. Each tool has a specific file attached to it. So let's suppose this is actually the image converter tool right here. So for each and every file we have this directory structure. This is, if I show you the package.json file of the project here, so you will see we are using all these third-party dependencies which are completely free inside Node.js to actually build this entirely SaaS platform, software as a service, which will generating passive income. So you can just count here how many tools are there. So it's almost around 200 to 250 tools right here, and I will update this website on a weekly basis. I add new tools, so you will get the notification once I add a new tool. You will get the tool code updated. So you will see that this is, we also use Python as well for some modules. For some modules, let's suppose we have used Python for that, and then we have used Node.js and Express. You can just see right here. So we have used this Python script in Node.js to actually carry out some tools. So this is you can see each JSON to PDF, Photoshop to image, PDF, PPTX to PDF. So each tool right here, you will see it is EJS, it is using embedded JavaScript template. So each tool has a specific file attached to it. So you will get the entire code, guys. You will see that if you do note some coding right here, you can add your own tool right here to this file structure, and you can modify this source code if you do know how to code in Node.js Express. So before purchasing it, you should have a basic understanding of Node.js Express and JavaScript. So if you basically want to illustrate inside your school or college project, then it will be a great project for you to purchase. If you are just looking forward to display a college project, so it's an entirely full stack website which will look like this. Free, you can first of all test all the tools that you see inside this tool based website, and then if you are interested, I've given the link in the description, and after that you will actually get the zip file, which will be around the size here. Let me show you. So around 722 megabytes, this will be the zip file you will get downloaded. from Google Drive automatically after the payment, and then you just need to right click this zip file and extract all. So it will extract all the content, and then you will actually open this website. And now to actually run this project, you just first of all need to run this. I already have all the node modules folder, so you will actually get everything. And if you open your package.json file, you will see the script for running this project. This is, you can add the script right here. So if you want to do it, you can add a starting script, which is nodemon index.js. So index.js is the starting file right here, which will contain, if you see, this is actually the index.js file. So this is the starting point of this project where all the Node.js Express code is there. So you can see how long this file is. You will get entirely all the source code of my website in this, so that you can modify it, and it will be a good learning experience as well. You will get to know about how all these tools are made from scratch. So normally nobody shares the source code, but I am sharing it. If you are interested, the link is given in the description. It will save you a lot of time, because you will know which libraries and packages I've used to make these third-party web tools. So you can see around 8,000 lines of code is there. So you just need to run this. So simply npm run start. So this will start this application locally. So if you just run this, so I don't have Node.js installed, so you need to have Node.js installed on your system for this to work. So as soon as it runs, it will start your application locally. And just first of all, you do need Node.js installed on your machine, and just extract the content and then start this by adding that start script and simply say npm run start. If you do face any kind of problem after purchasing, you can contact me at my email address, or you can comment. I will definitely help you if you are facing any problem. So it's also very easy to deploy this as well. Project, very simply you can deploy this to DigitalOcean or hosting or VPS. For deployment purpose, you do need a virtual private server for this application. It's a full stack application, so you can't deploy this to a shared hosting. You must have VPS, virtual private server, if you want to. And you do need to install all these modules which I mentioned right here. If you see Instagram URL direct, so I've used this module. So if I show you Instagram URL direct, so whenever if any side of error it gives you, you do need to install this. So just make sure that you install this Instagram npmi Instagram URL direct. So just install all these third-party modules and then start to run this application, and you will be able to run this application which will contain all these tools. So you can see the proof, guys. I'm earning passive income. So by placing advertisements, my site is already approved by Google AdSense, and also this is Ezoic Ad Network, which is also a publisher network where I'm earning this passive income. So daily you will see that. So this is the last 30 days. So this is entirely this website here, and so you can just count here how many tools are there. So you can just see this is the site down checker. So here you will input all the domain names, and then it will show you the domain status of each. This is password encrypt. So all such tools are there, so it's impossible for me to illustrate each tool. So you can visit this website and try each tool, and then if you want, you can purchase it. You will see Canva, PDF, image editors. All these tools are there. This is a PDF editor. So here you will select your PDF document. You will see that. So as soon as it loads, you will be able to edit your PDF documents directly in the browser. So it's basically containing all these unlimited tools which generating passive income. So definitely, if you are interested, the link is given in the description, so you can directly purchase it. And if you still face any issues, you can contact me at it as well. So the command is simple, npm run start. So by adding that starting script, so it's a fairly long project, so it contains so many tools. So it is very normal that you can face problems, so you can contact me, you will see. But you will see, if you purchase it, you will see which tools is functioning what. So many files are there. For each tool there is a specific file right here, so you can see. So this is the Python code here which is used for this. So for each tool we have used different files here. You will see we have also used Python for some tools. So now you can see, you will get this message that app is listening on port 5000. So you can locally open this localhost 5000. So you will see basically all the website is open locally. So you can basically now open the tool right here. So now it is functioning locally, guys. You can see that. So in this way you can actually open this project locally. I showed you. So this is actually the tool that I wanted to, that website that I built. So if you're interested in this source code, this is the complete source code which is of this website. And let me show you the traffic here. If you don't know, I can also show the traffic which is coming to this website. You can see this is opening my Google search console, and this is freemediatools.com. It's a fairly popular website, and I get a lot of traffic. You can see this is 24 hours. It is getting a consistent amount of traffic. So once you actually make these tool-based website, it's once the once it ranks on Google, it actually maintains a constant amount of traffic. So this is not like a blog website that if any kind of Google update comes, then your traffic will decrease. So you can see it is fairly consistent. So 3 months I'm getting this impressions and getting the clicks as well. So you can see. So so that's why it's more important, if you're considering making a tool-based website, not do from scratch. You can definitely purchase my website and do some modifications, and you will get the full right to modify the code or use my tool. How, just look at how I make this. So you don't want to start from scratch, and it will save you a lot of time as well. So because I have all these tools made, so you can get to know about how I coded the interface and how the codes are working. So you can get a lot of ideas on it. You can look at the code which is perfectly working right here. So that's why, because all these tools are working, so you will get an idea of how the source code is working. So if you are interested, the link is given in the description. So I've also showed you the traffic sources as well, so you can see entirely the traffic is coming from Google. So these are my top tools. You can see that PDF to audio, karaoke maker, drive downloader. So all these pages are getting a large amount of Google traffic. So the link is given, guys, in the description. If you need, you can purchase it. You can see from each and every country the traffic is coming. So thank you very much, guys, for watching this video, and I will be seeing you in the next video.